she's sunny. Yeah, she's sunny. Having a sunny, sunny day. Friendship Day.
The county includes this warning. The National Weather Service in Berlin has issued a tornado warning for each Florida until 12:22 p.m. At 11:36 a.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable inducing a tornado that is 66 miles an hour. Please make sure that your NOAA weather radio works in case of an emergency. Locations impacted include Palm Beach, Florida. Take cover. Now move to your interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if you are a mobile home or a vehicle, or outdoors. Move to a closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Friendship Day. One red bow for Wanda and a matching one for June. There. Perfect. Thanks, Sunny.
Whoa! Now everybody will know that you two are friends.
A perfect way to celebrate.
Celebrate?
Bye. Thanks, Sunny. Bye, Wanda. Bye, June. Have a sunny day.
Wait, what's going on? What are we celebrating?
Today is Friendship Day, Doodle.
A day for friends to show how much they really care about each other. By giving a present or doing something nice for them.